Hey guys, how are you today? What are you doing and how do you feel? Today I would like to talk with you about passion and why passion is so important. This is the YouTube channel, The Power of Your Mind with Veronica Saban. The passion is the most beautiful whatever exists. Why? Because when you are doing things with passion and love, so you feel fulfilled. So and not only the fulfillment, but you dedicate so a lot of time and uh, um, you devote yourself so towards what you are doing. That's the reason why the passion is so important and why is so essential to make a choice or to transform your hobby if you truly love that so into your work. If you are passionate about something that you truly love from the depth of your heart, just go for it. Transform your hobby into your work. It no matter what it is. So for example, if you are painting, yeah, and you are using like that a hobby, just transform it. How can you transform your hobby so into your work? Just by mastering your skills. So it means that you have to learn doing that very well, so on a professional level or in a very good way, and by learning different methods to can teach another people too. And that's when you are doing something with passion, you don't feel that you work. That is the huge difference, because when you are doing things with passion, you feel uh, uh, grateful. So you feel happiness. You are happy for the fact that you are doing what you love, and this makes huge sense. That's why it's important to choose for what you love and not only for something to make money, especially in this time now, because there are so many coaches and the coaching in all over the world is growing like at speed, yeah. And the people, especially because of the pandemic, they are transforming their hobbies so into online coaching or courses. It doesn't matter what kind of hobby do you have or passion. I can give you some examples as well. Like if you are singing or if you are a dancer, yeah, so you could create um, uh, courses to teach people how to dancing or how to singing, yeah. So that's very easy. Only you need the right action plan, the right approach, and a proven strategy and business model who works for you without efforts. So what does it mean? So it means that you need someone who could guide you through this process when you need to develop this, just when you have um, to create your course and to launch it online, because it's a lot of work. So it's possible to do by yourself, but it's very exhausting. So then I don't recommend you to do it by yourself, because I hear many coaches who are from the start, or mentors, yeah, and teachers as well. And so told me that it's very, very overwhelming. So, and they get frustrated and tired. So because of the too much stuff at once. Probably so you are talented in what you do, only you have to improve your skills and to work a little bit at what you are good. But there is the another part of the game that you need marketing tools and marketing knowledge and experience. Yeah. And first of all, so the approach, action plan, and the strategy, and finally the system. Because this system, that's what is going work for you without making efforts. You have only so to create the right approach. And I highly recommend you to do that, just to turn your hobby in passion, especially in the during the pandemic time. Why? Because we are in a transition time, so it means that never it will be like before. Remember it. Everything is transforming in the world, the economy, so the jobs as well, because thousands of people, so they are losing their job, and it means that you have to create possibilities, like to create a stream of active and passive income. Yeah, and through your passion and through your hobby, you can generate income doing what you truly like and love. And that's amazing. So how awesome is that when you can do what you love and you can generate your own income? And that's exactly what I'm doing too. So what I have done, I'm known as a queen strategist, because so I'm a marketing strategist, a business and NLP coach, and I teach people to create online courses, but as well I teach them the strategies and how to create a system, how to create an online course, how to master and to launch and sell it. Yeah. Outside this all, so I am providing a transformational master mindset, and as well transformational programs and online courses, which could help you to transform yourself, your way of thinking, so your mind and inner power, and how to unlock your potential, and how amazing is to discover what is your power, what is the power of your mind. Just imagine, so because your income depends on the power of your mind, on how passionate are you about what you are doing. Is there about, it's not even about income. The income depends as well on your knowledge and your experience, but it's another question when you are truly passionate about what you are doing. And I truly love what I'm doing from the depth of my heart. I'm truly crazy about marketing strategies, about systems, and how to teach people, because I love people. So I truly love to provide guidance to the people and to teach them how to transform and improve the quality of their life by providing a guidance, consultancy to another people, because your life will start to transform from that moment when you will start to transform the life of another people. And that's what you have to understand. So if you truly want to improve the quality of your life, then you have to do something with passion, with love. So with open heart, you have to be very open-minded, coachable, and uh, to be able to create the needed skills that you need to succeed, because that's for you, that's your life. That's what you have to understand, that you have to create the life of your dreams through your passion, through love, because when you are doing things through love and passion, you will never feel that you work, and that's making huge sense. And that's the reason why I have created different income streams, and active and passive. I want to explain to you as well the difference between active and passive income. Active income is when you immediately are generating money, and passive income is when you are investing on long term and partially, so step by step you get little by little money. Yeah, that's that that we call that um, passive income. Yes. And I truly love this. So you can create as well a compensation plan, income plan for yourself. Yeah, just to create, to be aware to create the income of your company, and then to create your own income to pay yourself. How awesome is that? How amazing is that? Yeah, that you have to do in that way that you get paid. Yes, that you create your own salaries, your own monthly salaries. And there are so many ways to create that, like affiliate marketing, influence marketing, video marketing, blogging, coaching, mentoring, teaching, consultancy. There are so many methods and ways so to create different income streams, and active and passive. And if you will focus on the right things, on what you truly love to do, then you will notice that you will create the ability as well to generate much more income and to use your truly potential, what you truly are worth. Another tip to create income, for example, I truly love affiliate marketing. Yeah, so when I'm publishing my video on my YouTube channel, then I'm adding links as well from Amazon, from brands that they are selling something, because I'm adding so the links of their website, so I get paid about 60%. This is a very high percent. Yeah, and this is only one way, but there is another way, by watching videos as well. And you can write as well a book, or your biography, or you could give some tips in your book about a certain topic, especially about your experience and knowledge. That's another way to generate income. And so this is as well so active stream, income stream, when you are selling directly a book, because you get more the money directly. And when you investing your money in a real estate, for example, that is that income stream. So we call a passive income, because you are investing for a long term and you get your money step by step, because you are renting out, so your house, for example, yeah, then you get a little by little your money back. So I want to thank you today for watching this video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe uh, to my channel. Take care of yourself, and I see you soon. Bye bye.